As you can see, y'all, over here, Lorenzo is working, trying to get some of the rest of the debris that was over here on the driveway. And so that way we can get some of the stuff cleaned up. And as you can see, too, the weeds are coming up. So we're getting ready to head out and try to get that sling blade, even though we do have the chickens to come over here. But we want to kind of proof it somewhere back over in that area, kind of proof it so that way the chickens can't go through that fence and come out and roam over into the neighbor's yard. So before we can release them over here to this area, we're going to go ahead and get one of those sling blades, and that way he can kind of tackle that back there, and then bring this back some and get some of this wildness under control as well too, and before it get like it was last year. So that's all we lacking as far as getting this area, and then over there by the pecan tree over there, and it ain't gonna take long. You can see we're scraping up all these worms that were up in these wood chip piles, and that's what Lorenzo is doing, scraping them up real careful. But they're all up in the last of this debris. And what he's doing, he's taking these worms and he's moving it over to this tote right here. And it's full. I mean, full of worms. And that's what we want. We want some more worms. And I'm gonna be having them inside of the sorry y'all, distractions. You see them worms, y'all? Right there at the top. But I want to put some more of them worms inside of my compost containers in the garden beds. Now I got a lot of them in the garden beds, but the more the merrier. So that's what he's doing now, is just scooping up all those worms that are in there. And we're going to dump some off in the beds and everything, and we're going to be good to go on those worms.
finally got my sling blade. It's time to get busy. Finish this yard off. It's a blessing.
Everything turned out good. Everything turned out great. Now he's going to go out there. I'm going to be right behind him, and I'm going to finish these straw and these beds. And very happy that it's done. It's a blessing. It's a blessing. And also, we want to thank the 2 new subscribers that was at Tractor Supply. Thank you so much. And thank you. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below, and y'all have yourself a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.